Yo, what is good YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki, back at ya with a weekly Crypto.com Cronos news update and information video. At the time of making this video, folks, CRO currently still makes up around 9 to 10% of my overall cryptocurrency portfolio. I'm not sponsored by Crypto.com in any way. I do own some Crypto.com NFTs, probably around $2,000 to $3,000 worth. And most importantly of all, folks, crypto is really tricky, it's really risky, and you can genuinely lose all or a lot of your money. So make sure you do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency. And always remember, these videos are just my opinion. They're not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. And as always, folks, there will be timestamps down below for your own viewing convenience should you wish to fast forward on the video. In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, as usual, we'll be taking a broader look at the overall market, taking a look at CRO specifically, a little bit of TA around CRO, some DeFi and layer 1 and layer 2 analysis there, some ETH information there, a little article that's come out there, some little info from the Crypto.com University, always some great stuff coming out of there, and some little bit of NFT information from Crypto.com NFT. Before we do jump into that one though, please folks, if you just wouldn't mind taking a moment to hear from the sponsor of today's video, Margex, leverage exchange. Cryptocurrency markets can be extremely unpredictable. As we see for BTC, we're down 48.8% for the last year. Utilizing Margex though, you can easily open short and long positions, making money over the long term. Using Margex, you can use up to 100x leverage with absolutely no KYC requirement. With the MP Shield system, you're also protected from illiquidity and price manipulation as a trader. Folks, if you do want to get signed up for Margex, there will be a referral link at the very top of the description of this video, and it's as simple as going to the wallet section and entering the promo code Satoshi100. By doing this, you can also get $100 free to use to trade with. If we actually head on over to the top left and look at the trading terminal by hitting switch, you can actually see the actual currencies here, which you can actually use to trade with, as well as their available balances as we scroll down. And if we have a look at the leverage section here, folks, remember you can actually use that $100 to try out that leverage. But do remember, leverage trading does come with extreme risk, so always do your own research before doing short or long positions. And also, there are never any hidden fees when using Margex. There's also a really simple way to use cross margin. So for example, if we click onto 100x, it's as simple as literally going down to the bottom below 5x and just hitting cross margin before opening a position. The low trading fees on Margex are what make it extremely attractive for me as a user, and it's why I've been using it for my shorter and longer term trades for a while now. When using Margex to deposit funds, you've actually got a large range of actual cryptocurrencies which you can actually use when you click the deposit section here. Big names such as Polygon, DAI, USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, of course. So again, folks, if you do want to get signed up, it's really easy to do it. Just go to the use promo code section in the wallet section and enter in Satoshi100. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we'll have a look at the overall markets first of all. And folks, I just want to quickly say, look, good on you for being around, watching this content. I really do appreciate you. You know, it's quite tricky being in the cryptocurrency space at the moment because let's face it, it's pretty down. People are not interested. The Google search trends are down. And yeah, guys, you know, it almost feels like, is cryptocurrency ever going to recover? But I assure you, in my own personal opinion and in my experience, I've been through these. But even for myself, you know, it's hard. I still feel like, you know, these are some hard times, but there are going to be some greener pastures around the corner sometime. So taking a look at BTC, folks, for the last 24 hours, we're down 0.7, for the last hour up 0.2, and for the last week, 7 days, minus 3.1%, currently sitting under 20,000, guys. It's not really a good place for BTC to be sitting under $20,000 because the overall market is going to struggle and face a lot of downward sell pressure, in my opinion, if BTC does sit below that $20,000 mark. And who knows, it could push down to around $17,000. Post-merge, Ethereum is struggling, guys, performing even worse than Bitcoin over the last 7 days, down 6.5% over the last 7 days, 2.0 for the last 24 hours, and up 0.7 for the last 1 hour. Currently sitting below 1,500 at $1,338 US. And if we actually go ahead and take a look at the weekly gainers, guys, we've got tokenized exchange up almost 40% at 38.3%. XRP having an absolute dominant 7 days, up 38.1%. I want to know, are there some Ripple holders out there? I've been in and out of Ripple, to be honest. I actually currently don't hold any Ripple, but I'm kind of wishing I was holding some now, seeing that 38.1% pump over the last 7 days, given the current climate. And good to see Algorand, guys, really running some good technology over there at Algorand. Really happy with that coin. Again, not a holder of Algorand, ran, but that one is up 27.4% for the last 7 days. And if we take a look at the biggest losers for the last 7 days, we've got Evmos down 31.2%, Ravencoin RVN down 22.5%, and Terra Luna Classic down 19.7%. And we've got to follow that up, guys, with also Terra just Luna down 15.2%. Guys, I want to know your input on Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna. Were you holding? I personally was holding, but I sold just before the big dump, fortunately for me. And yeah, there's no way I'm personally getting back into that project. I just think it's absolutely rubbish. And if we take a bit of a closer look at Cronos specifically, guys, still holding above that 10-11 cent mark at 12 cents, currently 2.6% up for the last 24 hours. And if we do have a look, guys, for the last 7 days, CRO has actually been performing pretty well. 14.3% up for the last 7 days and 0.7% for the last 14 days. Still pulling a negative on the monthly though, guys, 6.1% down, and a negative of 29.3% on the yearly, which is actually not too bad when we specifically compare them to a lot of other cryptocurrencies in that top 50 and top 100. CRO is actually performing pretty well and still up 898.0% over the last 3 years from that all-time low of just under 2 cents at 0.01 cent. Alrighty folks, so just taking a bit of a look from March 10th, this was some old TA, guys, a long TA done by Bixley, and actually drew out this sort of like uptrending level here, guys, and as we can see, it completely broke this line and is traveling all the way back down here, as we can see, currently sitting up at around 12 cents here. So guys, we're clearly, you know, not in a good spot here, okay? People were really excited about sort of CRO's performance here, riding sort of this channel here, this upward channel here, clearly has broken downwards of that upward channel. And as for the DeFi and L1, L2 weekly info, guys, Ethereum completed the merge and Vitalik Buterin shares his vision for crypto's layer 3. Compound Treasury launched borrowings for institutions. Crypto market maker Wintermute hit by a US $160 million hack. So probably the biggest highlight, folks, is Ethereum's merge, guys. This is a thing that everyone's been talking about in the space. The merge took place on the 15th of September as the network shifted seamlessly to proof-of-stake hardware-based miners were replaced by validators who stake ETH to process transactions and create new blocks. So these people who were staking their Ethereum, folks, this had been in preparation for some months beforehand. So the way that this process has come about with Ethereum, I think, you know, despite some issues and, you know, some delays and things like that, it's a hard space. It's new, you know. No one has gone where Ethereum has gone, okay? No one is going where Ethereum is trying to go, okay? Same with all of cryptocurrency. So you do need to, I guess, have a little bit of room for scrutiny, allow a little bit of room for scrutiny, in my personal opinion, for Ethereum. Then this is a big one, guys. Wintermute, a crypto algorithmic market maker based in the UK, was hacked. The attacker drained 160 million worth of over 70 different tokens from the company's DeFi operations. The company's OTC and centralized finance operations were not affected. Blockchain cybersecurity company Certic commented that a vulnerable private key generated by the Profanity app was exploited. The defect has been known since at least January. Okay, so that's a bit of a shamble for DeFi on the whole, guys. Known since January. Well, why wasn't that sorted out? I don't know. And if we just pay our attention here, folks, ETH Flash Rewards campaign, you can earn 10% per annum on ETH, guys. Okay, I'm not sure if it's too late to get in. Okay, this is probably less than 24 hours old since this article came out, guys, but essentially if you do stake some Ethereum, guys, you can actually potentially get 10% per annum. So it is only a temporary one, guys. The Crypto Earn Flash Rewards campaign is back. This time will feature the Ether token for a limited time only. Users can earn an attractive reward of 10% per annum on ETH for a 14-day term allocation. The promotion ends on the 12th of October 2022, or when the aggregate campaign of 2,000 ETH, approximately US dollars worth of 2.5 million worth of allocations, is met. So hurry and don't miss out. So I don't know if that allocation has been met yet, guys, but if you want to get that 10% on your Ethereum for 2 weeks, so, you know, if you've got a huge amount of ETH sitting there, guys, getting 10% for a couple of weeks could be worth it for you. If you just got a little bit, maybe it's not, but yeah, I'll let you judge that one there, but just head on over to the app to do that. And a little article from Crypto.com University, a great little university source here that you can use all for free, guys. What is the Crypto.com exchange? An overview for beginners. So folks, I guess just some information for those of you that don't know that Crypto.com do have an exchange. I would say that the Crypto.com exchange is not that popular, and I think it's something that they really do need to work on increasing volume or giving some people, you know, incentives, particularly beginners, in particular beginners, maybe some incentives to try and actually get onto that exchange a bit more, guys. So in terms of the key takeaways, guys, what can you do on the exchange? Well, we've got spot trading, which refers to the buying and selling on a specific date. You got your margin trading, which describes buying and selling cryptos using borrowed funds. Okay, so I'd only recommend that, guys, and derivatives if you do have a bit of experience with spot trading first already, guys. You got your limit orders, of course, as well as your market orders. Alrighty, folks, so just wrapping up with some crypto.com NFT news, guys. So live now, the Mamu by Met Beat by Crypto NFT. So guys, what is going on here, guys? So K-pop's Mamamoo have released some NFTs, guys. A full article is here. I'll allow you to read that. So I guess I've just included this article just to show that, guys, musicians are now starting to get into the NFT scene. So in a nutshell, folks, this K-pop group has seen the potential to use NFTs to make a bit of money and allow their audience maybe some VIP, some perks, some special benefits as a utility if they do buy that NFT. So it brings the NFT utility, it brings some income into the space, and it also brings some attention to NFTs within cryptocurrency. So I think that's pretty cool. Now, in terms of the actual special benefits, guys, a total of 3 million beat tokens per year, guys, or 250,000 beat tokens per month are distributed equally amongst Meta Beat ambassadors, guys. So they got their own beat token, okay, which is interesting to see how that's going to go. It could be a case of that it does really well for maybe the first few months that it's released, and maybe there might be a huge sell-off if that utility, has not been kept up to standards, because let's face it, most of these kind of projects, that's generally what tends to happen. Okay, so you can only expect that is maybe what's going to happen. So if you are going to get involved in this project, guys, I'd highly recommend maybe just taking at least your initial investment plus some profit if you are investing in an NFT to get this beat token. Now, on top of that, guys, in terms of the events, guys, Mamamoo Special Collection NFT holders will be given an opportunity to receive Mamamoo concert tickets, okay? A total of 350 concert tickets will be given out to NFT holders. Details will be released on our official channel. So, guys, if you're an absolute fiend, if you love this K-pop band, then, it might not be such a bad idea to potentially purchase one of these NFTs. Alrighty, folks, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content today, guys, and tune in next week for the weekly crypto.com video. If you've got any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, subscribe. Make sure you do turn the notification bells on. And also, make sure you do come over and follow me at Satoshi Aoki 7 over here on Twitter, guys. I talk about all things crypto.com, Cronos, NFTs, metaverse, and blockchain gaming. So from wherever you're watching from in the world, have a blessed one, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.